Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are healthy and taking very good care of yourself. Wow children, you are looking so nice today. You all are dressed up so neatly. Children, do you all know that there is one thing which all of us do every day? Just like we brush our teeth in the morning, we have a breakfast. There's one more thing which all of us do every day. Can you all guess it for me children? Any guesses? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Children, tell me what we all do to look good and smart. Yes, you are correct. We wear good clothes to look good and to look smart. Children, here we are going to talk about clothes. So let me introduce you all topic clothes. We'll be further learning about topic clothes children. Children, clothes, we need clothes to cover our body. Clothes not just make us look smart, but it protects us from heat, cold, rain and dust. We should always wear neat and clean clothes. Wearing neat and clean clothes make us healthy and we look good children. Children, do we wear same type of clothes every day? No, right, you are correct. We wear different type of clothes for different occasions. In the same way, we also wear different type of clothes for different seasons as well. You know children, when you are going to school, you wear uniform. After which, when you come back from the school, you change your uniform to different dress in which you are comfortable. In the same way, when you have puja at home, you wear traditional clothes. If you have a party to be attended for, you will wear different clothes. Right children? So we wear different type of clothes based upon the situation and based upon the occasions. Okay. So here, let me introduce you all to a friend of yours children. She's coming. Okay, 1 minute. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. Yeah, she's here. See, she's saying hi to everyone. Say hi. She's waving to everyone, children. Hi. Her name is Barbie. How are you, Barbie? She says she's fine, children. Barbie, is there anything special that you're looking so nice today? You dressed up so beautifully, Barbie. Children, Barbie want to say something in my ears. Wait. Oh, children, Barbie says she's got dressed up for a friend's birthday party. Isn't she looking pretty, children? Nice dress, Barbie. Even we dress up different clothes, Barbie, when we are going out, right? Yes, children, do you all agree with me? Yes, we wear different type of clothes when we are going for the party, when we are going out with our parents, right? Well, Barbie, your dress is very beautiful and you're looking very nice. Okay, children, now she's getting late for her friend's birthday party. Let her go, then we will talk. Okay. Bye, Barbie. You can enjoy. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Say bye to your friends. Bye bye, children. You all can wait for her. Bye bye. Bye bye. She's going. So, children, that was Barbie who got dressed up so nicely for a friend's birthday party. Like how we all do when we have any birthday party, we dressed up differently and we dress up so nicely, right children? So in the same way, we have different clothes for different occasions, and we have different clothes based upon the different seasons as well. And we have mainly 3 seasons children. There is summer season, rainy season and winter season. So first comes the summer season. Summer season is the season what we are having now. Summer season is very hot. Isn't it hot children now? We are having it's so hot, right? So what do we do in summer season children? In summer season we have cool drinks, we have something which is making our body cool, we have ice creams to make ourselves cool. In the same way, we wear clothes made up of cotton. Cotton clothes makes our body cool. I'll just show you all it. We wear clothes such as children, such as cotton clothes, such as cotton shirts. We wear shorts and we wear sleeveless shirts like this to make ourselves cool in summer. Cotton absorbs sweat children, sweats, and this type of clothes make us body to keep our body cool. So we usually wear summer clothes. We wear cotton clothes in the when it is summer season, children. And next comes the rainy season. Rainy season is so sticky. There's everywhere water around. You cannot go out without your boots, wearing your boots, children. It's always so muddy everywhere outside. So in rainy season we wear waterproof clothes to make ourselves safe from the water, safe from the rain. We always carry umbrella when we are going out in the rainy season, children, to protect ourselves from the rain. And we always wear clothes which are waterproof, so that we doesn't get directly, the water doesn't fall on us. We should always take care of our health. We should not fall ill because of the rainy season. That's the reason we protect ourselves from the rain. So we wear waterproof clothes in the in the rainy season, children. And the same way, next we have winter season. Winter season is so cold, children. You feel so cold in the winter season. You always cover your cover your head with the scarf, with the woolen clothes. So in winter season we wear woolen clothes, children. I'll show you all. You wear all you wear all such type of monkey caps in and this woolen caps for winter season to keep yourself warm, children. And you wear all you wear jackets, you wear sweaters to keep yourself warm in winter season, children. So such type of clothes we wear to keep our body warm, not to get catch not to get cold easily, because it's always so cold. It's so cold in winter season. You always have hot soups to make our body warm in the winter season, children. So these so these are the type of clothes what we have, and I hope every one of us have it right with us. We always have in our in our wardrobe this type of clothes. We wear cotton clothes for summer season, we wear waterproof clothes for rainy season, and then we wear woolen clothes for winter season, children. Everyone has it, and we wear it according to the season changes, right? So children, this was this was regarding the clothes we wear for different seasons. I hope you all understood this topic very clearly, and you all enjoyed the video, and you all enjoyed the, looking at Barbie who was so dressed up neatly, right, children? So I hope that you all will revise this, you all learn this chapter, and until then I'll be back again with another video of a very interesting topic, children. So you all will take care of yourself, listen to your parents, okay? And I'll be back soon with another video, children. Until then, take care. Bye bye.